Python lists, the beginner's guide. Lists help you organize and work with lots of data in Python. We use them everywhere from storing groceries to tracking scores. In this lesson, you will learn how lists work and how you can use them. Perfect if you are just starting out, no experience needed. Running the cell now. Ready to try working with lists? Grab your keyboard and let us start. Like this video if you are excited to learn Python lists. What is a list? A list is like a container that holds multiple items in order. You can put almost anything in a list, numbers, words, or even other lists. Running the cell now. We are going to make our first list now. This is a comment to explain our code. It begins with a hash symbol. Here we make a list called fruits. Each item is inside quotes and separated by a comma. We print the whole list to see what is inside. Running the cell now. Try making your own list of favorite colors or foods. Did you know lists can have different types of stuff in them? This comment tells us what the code will show. We put a number, a word, a decimal number, and a Boolean true in one list. Let us print to see how Python shows this. Running the cell now. What are some creative lists you can invent now? Accessing elements in a list. Each item in a list has a position, called its index. Python starts counting at 0. Running the cell now. Let us read just one thing from the list. We use a comment to set up the goal. By putting 0 after the list name, we ask for the first thing inside the list. Printing shows us apple, the first fruit. Running the cell now. Try changing the number to see different items. There is a shortcut for the last item too. This comment explains that negative numbers start from the end. When we use -1, Python gives us the very last thing in the list. Print it out to see which fruit comes last. Running the cell now. Try using -2 or -3 and see what you get. Changing and adding things. Lists let you change items and add new ones easily. Running the cell now. Edit something in your list like this. This line shows our plan to swap one fruit for another. We pick the second place. Since counting starts at 0, that is position 1. Now print and see the new list with orange instead of banana. Running the cell now. What would happen if you changed another number? You do not have to stop at 3 fruits. This comment reminds us what the code does, it adds something extra. Append is a built-in way to put another thing at the end of your list. Print the list to see our new fruit added. Running the cell now. Make your list longer with some of your top foods. You can even stick new things wherever you want. This line is a reminder that insert puts things in a certain spot. The first number is where you want it. The second is what you want there. Let us print to check. Kiwi should come after apple now. Running the cell now. Try inserting something at the start of the list. What happens? Let us get the viewer involved. Watch what happens when you run this. This line makes space for the person watching to answer. Input asks you to type something. That word gets saved in new_fruit. Append attaches your fruit to the end of the list. We print the list to show your addition. Running the cell now. Invite a friend to name a fruit and see your list grow. Remember to comment below with your favorite Python list tip. Removing stuff from lists. With lists, you can clear things off easily too. Let us see some ways to remove items. Running the cell now. This will take out the first apples from your list. This comment reminds us about removing by value. Remove looks for apple and takes it away from the list. Print it to make sure Apple is gone. Running the cell now. Try removing something that is not in the list. What happens? Want to take the last thing off your list? Pop is the way to get rid of the last thing quickly. No need to say what you want removed if it is the last one. Print it and you can see the list just got shorter by 1. Running the cell now. What would happen if you pop again? It is helpful to check what is left after removing items. We are going to see if the word kiwi is in our fruits list. This is a simple way to check if something is in a list. If it is, we say so. If not, we let you know it is missing. Running the cell now. Use this trick to check for your favorite item before using it. Working with list length. Length means how many items are in a list. Let us see how to find the length of any list. Running the cell now. Let us count how many fruits survived all our edits. A comment explains what len does. Len, fruits, returns the length of the fruits list, telling us how many items remain. Printing shows the total nicely labeled. Running the cell now. Can you guess the number before running this code? Check if you are right. Let us look at every item one by one. This is a loop. Loops let us do something with each part of a list. For each item in the list, item holds that value just for this turn. The print statement shows each fruit, one at a time. Running the cell now. Try adding more fruits before the loop and see them all listed out. Let us make a new list out of an old one with a twist. We start with an empty list ready to fill. The loop grabs each word, one at a time. We use .upper to make each word all uppercase. Append puts each uppercase name into the new list. Print the new list to see what changed. Running the cell now. Practice, try changing .upper to .lower or adding a fun emoji at the end. Lists can also come from patterns, not just typing each item. A comment to explain we are making a list of numbers. Range 1, 11 gives numbers from 1 up to 10. Using list turns that into an actual list. Printing shows all the numbers from 1 to 10 together. Running the cell now. Try changing those range numbers to make bigger or smaller lists. Here is a super shortcut for building new lists from patterns. We are making a list of squares, 1, 4, 9, and so on. This special line creates each square and adds it to the list quickly. Print to see each result. This is called list comprehension. Running the cell now. Try making a list of cubes for a challenge. Sorting lists. You can order your list items from smallest to largest, or a Z. Running the cell now. Let us tidy up our list of numbers now. This comment reminds us we are sorting the list. Sort does the work. Now the numbers go from the lowest to the highest. Print to see the change. Running the cell now. Try reversing a list or sorting words next. Sometimes you need to join lists together. This line builds another list with tropical fruits. Use the plus symbol to put them all in one line, making a bigger list. Print it to see all your fruits combined. Running the cell now. If you have friends with their own lists, combine them for more fun recipes. Here is a mini project for you. Let us make a custom grocery list. An empty list is ready to fill. We will add 3 items using a loop. The loop will ask you for something 3 different times. Input lets you type each item. Append makes sure your answers are saved, one after the other. Now print the final list to show everything you added. Running the cell now. Pause here and try making a longer grocery list with more items. Sometimes we change our minds or run out of space. Let us fix our grocery list. This comment tells us that Pop will edit our list. Pop removes the last thing from your groceries list and gives it to us. We print that item so you know which one left. Now show the rest of the list, still saved safely. Running the cell now. What else can you imagine using lists for in your own life? Let us finish this lesson with a quick summary. Summary: what you learned. You learned how to create lists, add, change, or remove items, check list length, sort, loop, and combine lists, build lists using input and patterns. With practice, lists will help you organize almost everything. Running the cell now. Thanks for learning Python lists with us. If you liked this lesson, hit like and subscribe for more Python tips. Leave a comment with your favorite list idea and share this video with your friends. Ready for more? Practice lists in your own notebook today. Running the cell now. Keep practicing, and do not forget to show off your lists to your friends.